So what this rewrite does, as I'm sure people are aware, a lot of things, very long, but in general, it says that sex discrimination means gender identity discrimination, which means that you have to treat people in accordance with their gender identity. A male wants to be in a female locker room, otherwise it harms their gender identity, got to let them in. Bathrooms and so on, scholarships, sex ed classes, really the list goes on. So a lot of different states, a lot of different organizations, including the Independent Women's Law Center, challenged these regulations all across the country. Every single court, so there are now 8 courts to weigh in on, or I guess 9 courts to weigh in on the legality, that said, nope, it's not legal what they did, and 1 court to say, yes, it is legal. So that's not a good track record for the Biden administration, but where that puts us is 26 states have injunctions in place, every single state to challenge, actually, because the one court that said that this is legal got immediately paused by the appellate court. And then for the remainder of the country, the Title IX regs are taking effect, which I would say is pretty bold from the Biden administration to say that you have now 9 courts telling you what you're doing is illegal and you don't care and you're just going forward and implementing in the remainder of states. And even though today's the day from implementation, I still do expect some chaos because the Biden administration has asked the Supreme Court to weigh in and let them implement in more states. So, and the Supreme Court hasn't said what it's going to do yet. Who knows? Like, I bet that they're going to reject the government's request, but that still is to be seen. And then there are a couple of appellate courts that still are left to weigh in too. So a lot of different shifts happening, but essentially half and half in the country. Half are in status quo as it is, and half are men are now women.